In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create calculated field in Google Looker Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a custom metric or dimension to your data without leaving your report. Start on your report and look for the data pane. This is typically on the right side of the interface. Find the data source you want to enhance and expand it so you can see its fields. This matters because calculated fields are created within a specific data source, and they only use the columns available in that source. Under that data source, click Add a Field, then choose Add Calculated Field. This opens the field creation editor where you'll define what this new field is and how it's calculated. First, give your field a clear descriptive name. Think of a name you'll recognize later, like net profit or conversion rate. Then add a field ID. The ID is the behind-the-scenes identifier. Keep it simple and consistent. Many people use lowercase with underscores, which makes formulas easier to read. If Looker Studio suggests an ID for you, that's usually fine to accept. Next, add your formula. You can build it using the field list on the left, which lets you insert columns from your selected data source, or you can start typing and pick from the suggestions that appear. Suggestions help prevent typos and ensure you reference the correct fields. Use standard operators and functions, things like plus, percent, and size, as well as functions such as sum, avg, gz, or regxp match, depending on your needs. For example, you might subtract cost from revenue to get net profit, or divide conversions by clicks to create a conversion rate. Parentheses are useful for keeping calculations clear and accurate. As you type, keep an eye on any validation messages beneath the formula box. If the editor flags an error, it usually points to missing parentheses, misspelled fields, or mismatched data types. Adjust your formula until the validation shows no issues. When your formula looks good, click Save. Your calculated field is immediately added to the list of fields in that data source. From here, it becomes available to use in your charts, tables, filters, and controls, just like any other field. If you don't see it right away, expand the data source again or search by the name you gave it. That's it. You opened the data pane, added a calculated field, named and identified it, wrote the formula using your existing columns, and saved it so it's ready for analysis. Now you can enrich your reports with exactly the metrics you need, tailored to your business logic.